Hi everyone, Imran here with another video on how to fix Partition Bootloader error on all Samsung phones. As you can see, I am getting this error and the phone is stuck in download mode, and when you reboot your phone, as you can see, I am trying to reboot my phone. It will again boot into download mode. Now as you can see, it is stuck in download mode. I will show you how to fix this and flash another stock firmware using Odin. Producing these tutorials takes a lot of efforts and time. For encouragement, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. The error usually comes after flashing the wrong file or not flashing the partition file, so this time you will need to flash all 4 files using Odin. Before we get started, you need to download a few files. First one is Odin. The second and most important is stock firmware and Samsung USB drivers. So first of all, you need to download stock firmware and Odin file. I have given two websites. One is samemobile.com, the other one is samefw.com. You can use any of these websites to download stock firmware. Now make sure you already know the model number of your device. So here you will enter your phone model number to download the stock firmware. As you can see, I am typing SM8325, which is Samsung A32. Now here you can filter by Android version and bit or binary. So make sure, if you don't know the binary installed on your device, so please select the latest binary. Also select the latest Android 12 version. If Android 13 is available, then you need to download Android 13, because downgrading the firmware will give you error in Odin. So here are all the files. You can choose any. They are given by security patch level, so make sure to download the latest security patch level. Click on the version. Now here you will get 3 methods to download. You can use your Google account to download from Google Drive, which gives faster download speed. You can also use download on browser, and so I normally choose the download on browser. When you click on it, it will download the file in the browser. So make sure to not close the tab or browser, otherwise it will cancel the download files and you have to start over. Now I have already downloaded the files. So now you need to unzip the files. Make sure to install the Samsung USB drivers as well. Also unzip the downloaded files, Odin file and stock firmware file. Just connect your phone to PC using USB cable. Now I will move to the PC and run Odin. Now we need to select all files, okay? First I will select the firmware folder, BL that is bootloader file, okay? Selected. Now AP is the main firmware file. Now at this point Odin might get stuck on your PC, so you need to give it a few minutes to load the file completely, because it is around 5 GB file, so it can take a few minutes to load. Also make sure Odin has recognized your device. As you can see, COM4 is showing on the PC. This means your phone is connected. it is almost unzipping the file, so it may take a few minutes. Now you need to select the CP file and home_CAC file. Now all files are selected. Now I just need to hit the start button to flash the firmware. Now this process almost takes around 5 minutes, so you need to have some patience. Now at this point, it is almost completed. Odin will show you pass message and your phone will automatically reboot. After reboot, your phone will boot into recovery mode, where it asks you to factory reset your phone. So using the volume up and volume down, select the factory reset and power button to choose the option. As you can see, I will do it now. Volume down, factory reset and power to select the option. Now your phone will reboot again, and this time it can take up to 3 minutes to completely optimize the apps for the first boot. So we will wait again. We are almost done. Now you just need to set up your phone and rest of the issue is fixed. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.